I've seen the 700 milliamps.
Oh, it came back. Oh, that was a data call.
I've seen the 700 milliamps when it was stuck in the 8 megapixel mode or the highest resolution mode.
So that's what happened.
That's what happened, even though I set
You
it
set
to
it to the low setting, so that's a bug. Okay.
5.